A forgotten firmware swap quietly rewrote a regional network in the late 2000s, reshaping how a seaside city woke up online each morning. The change happened behind the scenes, during a routine maintenance window, and went unnoticed until hours later when air quality sensors and traffic controls started behaving oddly in unison. Technicians traced a tiny code offset that redirected data packets through an alternate route without alarms, revealing how fragile urban digital systems can be. In minutes, the city learned that small, deliberate edits can tilt entire infrastructures toward resilience or risk. The tale ends as engineers patch the glitch and seal the path with a new safeguard, leaving citizens unknowingly safer, yet curiously dependent on every byte that powers their lives.